Hey folks, it's me again, Good Whatever, and let's proceed on to the root anatomy video. Alright, root internal anatomy. So, roots, they do a few things. Primarily, it's where they hold the plant in place and absorb water and nutrients. Additionally, they also sometimes serve as a place to store sugars produced by photosynthesis. That's why we eat carrots and potatoes. So monocot roots and eudicote roots are going to look different. So as I mentioned back in the stem video, a eudicote root has vascular bundles arranged in a ring, whereas in a monocot, a eudicote stem has vascular bundles arranged in a ring, whereas a monocot root has vascular bundles arranged in a ring. A eudicote root has vascular bundles arranged in a little stele, well, a little cross or triangle in the center of this stele, all right? So, as I've mentioned before, these great big pores are going to be your xylem. In between them are going to be little bundles of phloem. On your eudicote, the cross is going to be your xylem, and then in between the lobes of your cross or triangle are going to be bundles of phloem with cambium in between the two. So let's move on. So let's take a look at our, pardon me, monocot root. So remember, vascular bundles arranged in a ring. If you see this root, know that you're looking at a monocot. So let's take a good look at that. Right on the outside of this stele is the endodermis, inside skin. On the inside, you have the phloem in between these lobes, and the xylem right in the middle. Let's go ahead and go to, whoops, that head. Sorry. Let's go back to our monocot root. All right. So here is our monocot. Here we have the endodermis right there on the outside of the stele. Here we have the xylem. And then this in light blue is our phloem. Let's go ahead and take a picture because that looks pretty nice. Back to our video. All right, so let's take a look at a eudicote root. So they're going to be a little bit different. They're going to have vascular bundles arranged in a little cross or triangle in the center. So let's take a look at our real life example of that. Here we are. So there it is. We see there's the edge of the root. Here is the center, the stele. Let's go to a higher magnification. And so what we're seeing here is the endodermis right here on the edge of that stele. Here are the lobes of our xylem, and this is a bundle of phloem right here, with cambium in between. So there's our phloem, there's our xylem. There you go. All right, and that's that. Don't worry about that iNaturalist assignment. That's old, unless your primary lab instructor has something to say about it otherwise. That's all for root anatomy. Y'all have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. Stop it. Go away.